Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find screenshots on your Mac. If you didn't know, by default, macOS saves screenshots directly to your desktop. So go ahead and look for screenshots right there on your desktop. Now, the Stacks feature on macOS might feel a little weird if you're not used to it. Even if you take a bunch of screenshots, you might only see one single icon sitting there. You have to click it to expand and see all your images, and click again to collapse it. If you don't like that, just click anywhere on the empty desktop and uncheck Use Stacks. Now your files won't be grouped together, and you'll see every single screenshot scattered around. But if you look at your desktop and you still don't see the screenshots you just took, let's check where they are actually going. Hit the keys Shift-Command-5. You'll see a toolbar pop up at the bottom. Click on Options. Then look at the Save To section to see which folder has a check mark. That is the folder where your screenshots are being saved. For example, if Documents is selected, that's where they'll be. I'm going to select Documents right now as my folder. Then I'll take a quick screenshot. Now, if I open my Documents folder, the screenshot saved here instead of the desktop. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.